Sometimes love comes into our life quietly. At first, we may not like it. We may even be afraid of it, but slowly it becomes a part of our heart. This is not just a story about a girl and a cat. It is a story about love, loss, and a broken heart. Story: The Girl and the Black Cat. In her house, there were many cats. In the beginning, the girl did not like cats. She did not like to touch them. She felt scared and uncomfortable. Slowly, things changed. Day by day, she started playing with the cats. She talked to them and spent time with them. Soon, she began to feel happy with them. Among all the cats, there was one black cat. The girl loved this black cat very much. She played with it every day. She kept the cat on her lap and hugged it. The black cat became her best friend. One day, suddenly, someone came with sad news. He said, "A cat has died on the road." The girl felt very sad. She ran to the road quickly. When she saw the dead cat, she was shocked. It was her beloved black cat. She started crying loudly. She took the dead body and came back home. Her family members tried to console her. They asked her to bury the cat, but the girl was not ready to leave it. She kept crying and holding the cat. After some time, her brother dug a pit in a nearby ground. He gently buried the black cat. From that day, the girl changed. She did not get close to animals anymore. She did not love cats, dogs, parrots, or any pets. She felt that loving them brings pain when they leave. Her love stayed in her heart, but her fear of losing never left. The black cat is gone, yet its place in her heart is never empty. Loving deeply also means hurting deeply. This story reminds us that even small lives can leave big lessons. If this story touched your heart, please like the video. Share it with someone who loves animals. Subscribe to the channel for more emotional stories. Your support helps these stories live on.